Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can download a transcript of a YouTube video. It's pretty simple to do, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So first you want to find a video on YouTube that you want to get the transcription of. I'll just use my video here as an example, and what you want to do is go to the description of that video. Make sure you click it so that way it expands the description. And then you want to click on where it says show transcript. And now if we look at the right hand side here, we can see that the transcript of the video is shown right here, and we can go through the entire transcript and we can actually even see the timestamps of where the words in the video have been said. So if I were to click on this, it would take me to 12 seconds within the video. You can also disable the timestamps if you click this button and click on toggle timestamps, so that way you can just see the text for the transcript. And if you want to go ahead and copy it, all you could do was just highlight all of these, scroll up to the top, and then Control C to copy that transcript. Then you can open up your text editor and you can just copy and paste the entire transcript into your text editor. But that is how you can download the transcript from a YouTube video. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.